Morning, YouTubers. What's up? I don't know if I ever put one of these on there or not. It's Field Master. Got all the stuff on it. Big blade, can opener, little screwdriver. There's your other screwdriver. There's your saw. There's your clippers, little blade. There's your spoon. There's your tweezers and your that little deal there. Quite a bit going for it. There's your punch, your hook, and your awl. I never count them, but I'll get one out. I'll forget one. Somebody will see it. Four layer. Yep. 1, 2, 3. It's an awesome knife, guys, girls. Well, folks, have a good, safe day. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you.